Hello and welcome to October's Market Update. I'm Scott Glover with Real Broker in the Redline Real Estate Group, and you are going to want to stick around for this whole video because our market is continuing to shift here in Calgary as we move from summer into fall. Before we get into the update, I want to wish you and your family a very happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully you're able to spend some time with friends and family and enjoy a nice long weekend. So similar to an onion, we're going to be peeling back the layers in my update this month to see how the market is shifting at each individual segment, whether it's detached, semi-detached, row, or apartment. And hopefully, unlike the onion, this information doesn't make your eyes water. And if it does, we should probably talk through why that is. To start off, let's recap what's happening with the market overall. September sales were down 12% versus last year, which is the fourth month in a row sales have been down or even with where we were in 2021. However, the 1,901 sales we saw in September is still stronger than the pre-pandemic levels and well above the long-term trends for September. So let's peel back that layer and see what's happening at each individual segment and talk about some advice for buyers and sellers. We continue to see a shift towards more affordable housing types in Calgary, and as a result, the detached and semi-detached markets are down 23 to 27% year over year. When we look at the actual sales totals, there were 971 detached sales in September, which is what we would typically see for September prior to the pandemic. At the same time, we are seeing new listings ease and lower overall inventory levels, which is preventing the market from becoming oversupplied and helping to support more balanced conditions. So if you are in the market for a detached or semi-detached home, there will be less options, especially in the $500,000 and under price point than there would have been last year. So if that is your budget, be prepared to act quickly. And with less inventory coming on the market, even the higher price points are still selling, just not at the pace they were in the spring. And if you haven't talked to your lender yet, here's your friendly reminder to do so. We may see another interest rate increase in the next few weeks, so secure that rate hold before that happens. The apartment segment has been the largest improvement throughout 2021, and overall this year has seen a 60% improvement in sales over 2021. In September, apartment sales hit a new September record with 450 total sales. Between improved sales totals and a pullback of new listings and overall inventory, both row homes and apartments hover between what is considered to be a balanced to a seller's market. If you are thinking of selling your townhome or condo before Christmas, now is your time. With increased demand for these types of homes along with lower supply, it's the best market we've seen in a number of years. Benchmark prices are up 10 to 15% year over year, so unless you bought during the last real estate boom, your home is most likely worth more now than it was when you purchased. Now, in a shifting market, there is always a lot to navigate and things can change fairly quickly. I'm always happy to talk through your real estate questions and help put a strategy together that works for your timeline and your situation. Now that's all for me today. Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you in November.